Okay, now I will show you how to program the receiver of WL CQ5. So first, I press the setting, and then I enter the password 5678, and then automatically go to F1, and then I push the enter. So now I want, for example, now I want to program this number 1 to be 11. Okay. So first I put it on charger first, then I enter the number 11. Then I press the call out. Okay. Now I want to program the number 2 to be 12. So I will return and 12 and call. Okay, so now let us check if it works or not. So I go to the standby 11, I take the 11 out and call. Okay, so it works.